Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video in designing for any designing software, that is Basic Employees. Here I am going to teach you how to use this software. We will start from the basics and then we will move to the advanced level. Okay, go to sketch and okay, sketch one. Then we see we can remove this border line, and so now see the line and this and this is tangent like anything, and okay, and okay, now we can change the dimension also. Yeah, this is 100. Okay, and we can change the angle also to make 130. Okay, and this also okay. That and 850, 300. Okay, then we see the distance. We can adjust all dimension, and now it's okay. Yeah, let's see tangent. Now delete this, go to line and line tangent. The line tangent means that's not, first you took a two circle point, one is small circle and another one is big circle. The tangent line is joining these two circle. See, touch the circle and this circle. Okay, and down this and this, and now we can trim that extent. See, okay, trim this and this. Yeah, now it's okay. Now how could we extrude it? Make a extrude and go to both side extrude, and see in this view, this is single view. We can change that into one side view, right or left. Now we can change in both extrude. Make the distance 100. Okay, yeah, 100. Now the both angle is same. Okay, done. Tick. Now we go to sketch. Okay, sketch. Use front view. Sketch. And now see, this is okay. Now the line is over. Now see the rectangle. Sorry, rectangle. This is normal rectangle. Make a 2-point rectangle, and this is axial rectangle, and this one is center rectangle. We can put a rectangle from the center, and next we can see parallelogram. Parallelogram is not a it's a states. We can design the angle and all the things in this parallelogram. It's tangent and align all this. Okay, next see the circle. Delete circle. This is first normal circle I can put, and now we see the concentric circle. Concentric circle means that's not it making a circle more than more. It easy way to make a circle, and that's, now see this. We can change the dimension, otherwise we can go to next. Now see the circle, 3-point circle. Okay, We make the 3 points in somewhere places and put a circle. Now we see the tangent circle. Tangent circle is not a, first you take a normal circle and put a 3 circle. Okay, and upper. Okay, now the tangent circle we can click and make the 3 circle point. 1 2 3, and the center is the tangent circle. We can see that. Okay, that's it. Now delete all. Wait. Okay, go on this. Okay, now we see the arc. First set a line, this and this and this. Now go to arc. It's a normal arc. Wait, I'll zoom it. Done. Arc. The arc is 3 point tangent and arc. Make a first point, the tangent point. We can do which other what you want to inside. Okay, now I make it here. Done. Now we see the another arc, center point and end point arc. This is the center point and this is end point, and make a arc to starting point. Okay, done. That's it. Okay, now see the next arc. Make a 2 lines and wait, trimming the center line and making going to arc. We see the tangent arc in last concentric arc. See, this is like concentric circle. Okay, we can make arc in any sizes and any if you want. Okay, see this, where you want that arc we can do it. Okay, next see this arc. See, this is like elliptical arc. Make a starting and end point, and the curve itself we can do here. Wait, I'll zoom it. Okay, now we can. Do you see this? We can make a sketch also in this arc. Next is tangent arc. Tangent arc is nothing but, then we take a line. We want to 3 point, so put a line in the vertical and make it select and do arc. This first point and second point and third point. Oh, sorry, I didn't touch the point. Again we can try. First point, second point, third point. Okay, yeah, now it's okay. You can see this and make a select. This is okay. The arc is over. Now we see the elliptic. Okay, delete all. Okay, sketch. Then elliptical is nothing but it's like a circle only. The axial flow we can choose and the distance we can make that. Yeah, select this. This is the center and axial ellipse. We can make a center point and axial and extend that which you want. That's it. This is okay. Then we go to the spline. Okay, wait a sec. Delete all. Okay, now sketch previous view and in the isometric view. Okay, now go to spin line. Yeah, this is used to curve the line and make it modified. it's used to draw a pot also easily. Yeah. Okay, next we can see the fillet. Okay, fillet is nothing but the two side chamber. It's make a curve, and there is chamber. Sorry. Fillet trim. This is fillet trim. In this video you can see the first itself it's concentric line we can see. In second we cannot able to see a concentric line. In third the elliptical angle. Wait, I zoom it. Yeah, you can see this. And next is elliptical trim. See, yeah, wait a sec. This is a horizontal and this is became a vertical. Okay, you can understand. Yeah. Okay, now we go to chamber. First delete it all. Okay, select, make a rectangle and go to chamber. In chamber there is two type. It's a normal type. In this we can see the concentric line, and that chamber trim the concentric line will not able to see. It automatically cut. See, this is here. Now you can see there is no concentric line. That's it. Okay, now you can see this. If you want to extrude or revolve in this diagram, we want to put a center line, the axial in the center. Okay, wait, I put. And this is, if you want to revolve means the center axis will be vertical, the right side object will be revolved in that. Okay, now we see point. If you make a point, you can draw a line and make a point like this. Take a line and easily we can join this. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now we delete it. Delete the thoughts. Okay, plate. Now we see the plate. In plate we have 3 side triangle, 4 side square, 5 side pentagon and 6 side hexagon. It's all useful. Now we take 6 side hexagon. Take a double click and the screen we click a single click. In upper side we can make a dimension. Now I make it 45. Okay, give OK, and now you can see that. Okay, if you want to extrude this, okay, give OK and extrude. Make a dimension as 10 and okay, that's it. Now you see the isometric view. See, that's extrude. Okay, now go to sketch. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. The next video upload soon. Subscribe our channel.